Hello kids, welcome to AI and Robotics Club, the 100 mission AI and Robotics Adventure. Imagine a robot that can clean our oceans, protect animals, or even explore Mars. What if I told you that today you will create your own robot hero? Let's check one of the robot heroes one of our students created. Let's see what it can do.
I am Commander Greenatron from AI and Robotics.
Young inventors, welcome to Mission 001. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is S.A. Mahmood. I am founder of AI and Robotics Club, and I will be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence, robotics, coding, and innovation. During this course, this journey, this voyage, we are going to explore many programs. Some of those are Canva, Scratch, OpenAI, that is ChatGPT, then Mblock, Lovable, Replit to create our apps. Then we are going to learn the Python language as well and Tinkercad to program our electronics like Arduino boards and other things that we use in robotics. One more thing we want to discuss here is that our learning language. In our club, we use simple English so that every student from any country can understand and follow. English is very important because most AI tools, programming languages, robotics technologies, and global scientific resources are available in English. Do not worry if you are not perfect at English. You will improve step by step during your journey. If you are watching a recorded and feel the pace is slow, you can increase the video speed according to your comfort. Let's see how you can do that. You are on YouTube and you want to play this one. And in this setting,
Hello kids, welcome
you can
back.
see the playback
We are
speed.
going to look in
From here,
effects
you
a
can
little bit
increase
more.
or decrease. Let's say I want to decrease it. So you see the
Now
voice,
we
the
have
space is decreased.
set
And if you want to increase it, you can
effects too,
increase it
and we are
as
also
well.
going to get
So it
clear
is
graphic
moving a
effects.
little faster.
Okay.
The aim of our AI and Robotics Club is not only to teach you technology. Our mission is to transform you from a technology user into a creator, inventor, and future leader. What will you become? You are starting a 100 mission journey from imagination to creation to technology, innovation, then to leadership. These are 6 levels. In each level, we have 20 missions that you have to complete and get the badges for those levels. The level 1 is Explorer. Earn the Explorer badge after completing 20 missions. Then level 2 is Builder. Earn a Builder badge after completing 20 missions. At level 3, you will get a Creator badge. Level 4, you will earn the Inventor badge. Level 5, that's where the 100 mission journey completes, and you will earn an innovator badge. The level 6 is champion. This is the highest level where top performers become leaders, mentors, and competition champions. How you are going to do that? We are going to give you weekly missions. Every week you will attend and watch your mission video, learn a new skill, create a project, submit your project and work. You will earn innovation points and climb the ranks and represent your team in competitions. About teams, we are going to discuss in the next lessons. In competitions and rewards, it's not just about learning. You will compete with other young innovators, earn points for yourself and your team. You will appear in the Hall of Fame and work towards becoming AI and Robotics Club champion. Your mission 001, the birth of your robot hero. Every great inventor starts with an idea. Before we build a robot, app, or anything, we must imagine them. We must know what we are building and what for. For that, we are going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool, is your helper. It helps you think, it helps you write stories, it helps you create images, and it helps you in many more things. Let's try about our mission in ChatGPT. Whenever when you will open ChatGPT for the first time, it will ask you to sign up. You can just sign up with your Google account. It is as simple as that. And with ChatGPT, you can just start asking question. First of all, you need to tell ChatGPT who you are and what are you looking for. Let's say I introduce myself. I am Ryan. I am 9 years, grade 4, student, living in Spain. Okay, so I have told him about myself. After writing about myself, I need to tell it what I want to do. I want to create a robot superhero. And what that superhero will do? It will help school students in their homework. So we want to create a superhero robot and it will help school students with their homework. It is as simple as that. I can give it more details. It must be math expert or anything I want. Maybe I can choose it should look like a fighter or whatever theme I want. Whatever is in my mind, I need to put it here on ChatGPT. Then I'm just going to tell it what to do me. For me, please create or please guide me. simple is that? So it is going to look at my prompt, the thing I asked it, that is called prompt. And prompt engineering is the emerging technology that is shaping our future, and the people who are expert in writing prompts will become very valuable in coming future. Okay, so it is telling me, hi Ryan, this is an awesome idea. Since you are 9-year-old and grade 4, let's create a boat superhero that is both fighter and a math genius. Okay, first of all, you can give your robot a name: Methatron, Number Knight, Mega Math Fighter. Okay, you can choose any of these names, and it is giving you some of the ideas as well. Okay, and its appearance should be strong fighter armor, blue and silver colors. It is giving the idea of how it should look. Okay, what superpower does he have? It has math vision, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all of the math thing. It can scan the homework. It has number shields. It has a rocket learning mode, study beam, and it has enemies. The confusion monster makes student forget answer. Dr. Lazy, who tries to stop children from studying. Homework crusher destroys notebooks and pencils. My God, that's a real enemy. Methodron X defeats them using math powers, and its secret base is a math fortress. It lives in a math fortress. And then you can see there is a story for it as well. Very small story, right? Ryan and Methodron X. Ryan discovers a hidden robot in his school basement. The robot wakes up and says, "Hello Ryan, I am Methodron X, protector of students and master of mathematics. Together, you save students from homework monsters and make learning fun." Right? So it is giving you a drawing challenge as well, right? So what we do, I am going to ask him, please make an image of my robot. Okay, and what name I am looking for? I am looking for, okay, Methodron X is a good name. Okay, and what colors do I want? It is asking me if I need some special colors. Okay, red would be a good color. Red color is good. Okay, so let's ask him to create an image for me. It's going to take a few minutes and create an image for me. And voila, Methodron X. That's a real superhero. So you see, with simple prompt, you just created an robot for you, a superhero, specially for you. You can also ask it, please write me a story with, okay. So Methodron X is we are going to have a story with Methodron X. On sunny morning in Spain, a 9-year-old boy named Ryan was walking to the school. He loved learning, but sometimes math homework seemed very difficult. That day, something strange happened. As Ryan entered the school library, and you can see the whole of the story is there to, for you to enjoy and read along, and you can make videos for it, and you can make different things with it. So that's how you are going to create your superhero. Now we want you to meet Captain Greenatron. Captain Greenatron was created by our young inventor Abdul Moeed. He is 5. His hero name Captain Greenatron and has the mission to keep planet green and clean. Captain Greenatron uses technology and intelligence to protect nature, fight pollution, and create a better future for everyone. Let's see what Abdul Moeed had created for us.
Join AI and Robotics Club and Earth Clean and Green.
Cleanup crew! Let's go, cleanup crew! We're all here to make a difference and keep our planet beautiful.
Join AI and Robotics Club and make our planet green and clean. Let's work together to protect our environment and
So you see what Abdul Moeed has created. Now it's your mission. Now it's your turn to become an AI creator. Create your own robot hero. Choose hero robot name, his mission, what are his superpowers, what special technology does it use, does it has some guns or beams, or can it disappear, can it be invisible or something like that. You can see whatever this you can imagine, whatever the special technology you can imagine. You can make the image, drawing or design. You can design using ChatGPT, or if you like to draw on a paper, you can do that as well. Then write a short story about your hero, in which you, along with your hero, complete a mission. So, this is your mission, this is your first assignment. You have to complete it by the end of next week. And after completing it, the best project will receive extra innovation points, Hall of Fame recognition, special rewards. Remember, every great robot, every great invention, and every great technology started as a simple idea. Today, you are not just learning AI. Today, you begin your journey as a young innovator. Welcome to AI and Robotics Club. Learn, build, innovate together. See you in the next module. Bye bye now. Take care and please submit your assignments by the end of this week.